It's a vital program for anyone living in Labrador or Newfoundland's Northern Peninsula, far from certain specialized health care. The Medical Transportation Assistance Program, known as MTAP, helps pay for flights to appointments or surgeries that can only be done in other parts of the province. But people used to have to pay for those costly plane tickets up front and get reimbursed later. Now it'll be a voucher system.
I recognize the financial burden that it places on patients as a provider myself, and when I assumed this role, really wanted to put a focus on how to alleviate the financial burden. But often people would have to book these tickets for essential medical care on their visas, and it would be reimbursed, but sometimes that would take time and that would restrict their cash flows.
Patients and their escorts will now get $1,000 fast-tracked and upfront to help pay for their first eligible airfare, and they'll get a 75% assistance rate to cover the cost above the $1,000. MHA for Labrador West, Jordan Brown, is happy the voucher system has finally arrived, but is still leery about the bureaucracy that surrounds the program.
Because right now, under the current program, I get people coming to my office day in, day out, getting rejected their claims for the silliest of things of, ineligible signatures, or, a doctor forgot to check a box. A doctor's having a very busy day, and, they're going to start nitpicking people's forms when how a doctor fills it out. These are the things that MTAP do to block people from getting their claims.
The updated MTAP plan will have no income restrictions, online forms, and you won't have to apply any private insurance before getting reimbursed. Daryl Din, CBC News, Labrador City.